you?
Yeah, do you stuff birds?
I beg your pardon. We don't stuff birds here, we embalm them.
Oh, well, could you embalm my bird?
Is he dead?
I think so, yeah.
You think so? That's not good enough, much.
No, well, yeah, he's dead, yeah.
Good. Well, I mean, not good.
No.
I'm sorry your feathered friend here has deceased, but we must check these things, you understand? What kind of a bird is it?
He's a parrot. You got any experience of parrots?
I beg your pardon.
I just
What are you talking at? I've had my hand in more birds than you have.
Sorry, there's so many different species of birds. I only thought
You
that...
thought, yeah. Of course there are many different kinds of birds, and I stuffed them all.
Oh, you mean embalmed?
Shut up. Do you realise, in my time, I've embalmed crows, rooks, albatrosses, nightingales, larks, thrushes, blackbirds, linnets, canaries, cuckoos, macaws, miners, parakeets, budgerigars, magpies, doves, both turtle and ring, pigeons, wood, pouting, homing and carrier variety, sparrows, finches, tits, wrens, woodpeckers, peacocks, peahens, orioles, robins, swifts, swallows, owls, night-violent screechers, hooting, nightjars, vultures, eagles, kites, harriers, ospreys, buzzards, merlins, shrikes, kingfishers, I've had gannets, cormorants, shags, gulls, kittiwakes, stormy petrel storks, not to mention cranes, herons, spoonbills, flamingos, swans, cobs, cygnets, ducks, drakes, ducklings, geese, ganders, goslings, oswills, mallards, widgeons, moorhens, coots, grebes, dab chicks, woodcock, grouse, ptarmigan, pheasant, partridges, snipe, quail, turkeys, guinea fowl, chickens, cocks, cockerels, roosters, boilers, roasters, capons, rhodo and reeds, and yes, you're right, I've never stuffed a parrot.
Hey, son,